Okay, Mackie.
Let me take it from further so we can see the whole body.
What kind of equipment do you have on, Mackie? Whoops.
Mám ti rukavičku? Okay.
What kind of equipment do you have on?
Daj sem palček. Dáš palec sem? Výborne. Máš ho tu? Tak, dobre.
Do you want to name everything you have on? What are those on your hands?
Am I gonna see?
I'm taking a video of you, cutie.
Can I see?
Well, if you look in this side, you're not going to see anything except for Daninko over there.
Ahoj, bubinko.
You can watch the video later after we make it.
Čo to máš na hlavičke? Povedz mi, prosím ťa.
Prilbu.
Prilbu? A čo to máš tuto na tvojich plietkach? Poď sa sem postaviť za mňa. Čo to máš na plietkach? Povedz mi, toto sa ako volá?
Vest.
Vestička? Vest? A toto sa ako volá?
Rukavička.
Dobre, a toto?
Shin legs.
Shin legs? Toto sú shin legs?
Shin legs.
To je shin legy?
And pants and a belt.
A toto sú hockey pants? Sú hockey pants, ja? Dobre, a toto
And a helmet?
Toto sa volá ako?
Kočurka.
Výborne.
Wow.
Výborne.
You have everything you need. What else do you need?
Ukáž mi veľký hug, hokejový hug.
What a hockey hug.
Hold on.
Oh. Hey, Boo Boo, what else would you need to play hockey? Is there something else you would have to hold?
Those are the latest shin legs that are available. They rotate from the front to back. So.
What else would you need to hold in your hands if you're going to play hockey?
Oh. Dáme si dole prilbičku?
It's hot.
Je tam hot.
Oh.
Pozri, aké máš krásne vlásky.
Wow, look, you're even all sweaty after your game.
Aké bol hokejový zápas? Dobrý? Hej? Rukavičky dolu?
Did you win? Did you win your hockey game?
Okay.
Mackie, how many goals did you score?
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7.
Wow, 7 goals.
Ty si malá ovečka.
What position do you play? Are you forward, a defense, or a goalie?
Pomôžem ti? Okay. No a buď taká dobrá, daj to do tvojho vaku. Budeš taká dobrá?
Do you have elbow pads?
Oh, yeah, we don't have any, Mommy.
I thought she did have some.
Výborne, to si daj sem.
Hockey pants.
Hockey pants.
Hockey pants.
Skúsi sadkať a tak si dá dolu.
Whoop.
To sú bude shin legy?
Dám sem.
Výborne.
Toto si dám
Look at that.
sem.
Šikúva, dobre. Dáme si zipík. Tak. Ty si...
Baby got it.